Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. I call it a heist because they paid me. Yes, for January 7th. So today's the first day of the sale. I'm going to be trying to do this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get this on the first day of the week. Some of these deals you won't be able to do for the rest of the weeks, but you will be able to do. It's a small heist, but it was $80.74 worth of goods, all said and done. I got paid $19.19. So I got some Tena Pads, I got some Flintstone gummies, and I got some Centrum minis, real small, and I got the gift card, so I got $10 off my total purchase. $10 off was from the extra savings. The Tena Pads, that was from the Smart Source from January 3rd, as well as there was a $2 off from here. All the links of what I bought are in the details below. Now we'll go to the Centrums were on clearance. This was a slam. They regularly $12.99. They were $4.15. They rang up, and you got $4 off and $2 off. Also, that's from the extra savings book. And so when we get to the Flintstones here, there's a limit of 4. So I actually ended up buying 4 of them, and I kind of got lucky on this. Or is it skill? So what I mean by that is I always look at the expiration date of the vitamins or anything I buy. I noticed that one of them was expired, so of course I purchased that one, and I purchased it with the coupons and everything. As you know, everything is free. And then before I left the store, I pointed them at that it's expired, and of course they refunded me my money because it's against their policy to sell expired stuff, probably against the law to sell expired stuff as well. So that was kind of another tip. I gave another good tip last week with the Publix Promise, last video with the Publix Promise. So basically I didn't use much. I just used manufacturer coupons and store coupons, and then I did have a gift card rebate that I got back when you spend $25 on Tena Pads. All the links and the details below. So once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right here. More cool stuff right here. And once again, paid to shop.